Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring also, as it requires only your basic mathematical skills and numerical skills. So people used to get high scores in this portion in any competitive examination. So let's see what is in this question. A library has an average number of 510 visitors on Sunday and 240 on other days. The average number of visitors per day in a month of 30 days beginning with Sunday is what? Okay, so let's start the solution. As we know that the month beginning with Sunday begins with Sunday has 5 Sundays. Therefore, there are 30 minus 5 equals to 25 weekdays. Okay, or other days. Now by the question, the average number of visitors on Sunday in a library is 510. The average visitor in a library on Sunday, suppose we denote it as x1 bar, and it is equals to 510, and the average visitors in a library on other days, suppose we denote it as x2 bar, and it is equals to 240. Okay, now we have to find the average number of visitors per day in a month. The average number of visitors in a month with 30 days. So this is like the pooled mean, so we can denote it as x double bar, and it is equals to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, where n1 be the number of Sundays and n2 be the remaining days. Okay, now we already have that the value of n1 is 5, therefore we multiplied it with 510, and the remaining days are 25, and we multiply it with 240, and 5 plus 25 is 30. So after calculating these multiplications, we get 2550 plus 6000 divided by 30, and this results in 285. Okay, so the right answer is the option B. Okay, So we have solved this question, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about Quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers 9836793076 and 9874822756, or you just can check our website for further details, which is www.swordofsclasses.com. Thank you very much.